Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something really special for you. This right here is the best makeup camera available in the market. The UV camera for sunscreen test UV mirror sunscreen camera by Vanexis. Let's dive right in and see what makes this UV camera so amazing. First off, it's designed to help you visualize sunscreen applications. As we know, proper sun protection is crucial, and this camera takes the guesswork out of it. With its high-definition screen and magnified display, you can easily check your sunscreen application and ensure your skin is protected from harmful UV rays. One thing I love about this camera is its compact size. It's just 5.1*2.7*0.65 inches when folded, making it super portable. You can take it with you anywhere, whether you're shopping, going to a party, or even traveling. And check this out, it's rechargeable. With a 2500 mAh battery, you can use it multiple times without worrying about replacing batteries. The smart touch design makes it super easy to use. Long press the power switch to activate the UV camera and display screen. It's that simple. Now, here's something important to note. This camera works great for people with fair, light, or brown skin. It might not be as effective for those with darker skin tones. So, keep that in mind. In the box, you'll find the camera, charging cables, and even a UV test card to check the current UV radiation. It's a fun and educational addition. And there you have it. The UV camera for sunscreen test UV mirror sunscreen camera by Vanexis. It's a game changer for anyone serious about sun protection. If you want to see sunscreen like never before, this is the camera for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this. And if you're ready to take your sun protection to the next level, check out the link in the description to get your own UV camera by Vanexis. Feel free to expand upon these points and add your unique style and personality to the video script.